Hey, it's Nate Savage, and I want to show you one quick idea about breaking the blues scale to transform your solos. And really, we're not breaking the blues scale, we're just adding some notes to it that are outside of it. It's super important. And the basic idea is to start playing the root notes and the lower thirds of the chords you're playing over that chord. So, for example, if you're playing an A7 chord in the key of A blues, the 1 chord, for your solo, you can start out by playing the root note, and then the lower third right here in this, standard blues scale shape, and bending that lower third up to almost the major third. A note that's not in the blues scale, right? So over the 1 chord, and then when you go to the 4 chord, you can take the exact same idea. The 4 chord in the key of A blues is a D7, so you can take a D note and take the third of that chord, the lower third, and bend it up to the regular third. That note is not in the blues scale, but you can kind of break the blues scale and add this note in to play over that 4 chord change. Here you go. Or you can do this 4 right here. Back to the 1. Then when you hit the 5 chord, that E7, you can do the exact same idea. Take the root note of that E chord, the E, and then play a lower third above that, or flat third, and bend that up to almost the major third, which isn't in the blues scale again. And then go back to the 4 chord and then progression. And when you do that, you can hear the chord progression, the 12-bar blues progression, as you do this, even when you're only playing a lead. And this is a great step into playing over chord changes and choosing your notes. Here's a really simple example of how you can apply this to a 12-bar blues progression. We have a loop of just drums and bass for you, but I have a loop on the guitar that's just the progression. Here's how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over the 1 chord. 4 chord. Back to the 1. 5. 4. Back to 5. 1. So you could see how that, even if I wasn't playing with a jam track, you could tell what chords are coming by. And this is just a great way to start training your ear to head toward notes that are chord tones or that sound really good over the chords in the 12-bar blues progression. Give it a try with the jam track. Let me know how it goes for you in the comments below. See ya.